Processing device. Processing device is used to process data and instructions given to the computer. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the processing device in a computer. It processes data and instructions given by us. It also controls all input, output, and other devices. That is why the CPU is also called the brain of computer. CPU has three parts: Arithmetic and Logic Unit, ALU. Arithmetic and Logic Unit, ALU, performs all the arithmetic calculations and logical comparisons. It adds, subtracts, multiplies, and divides numbers. It also compares numbers to find if a number is equal to, greater than, or less than the other number. Control Unit, CU. Control Unit, CU, controls and manages the flow of information between different parts of the computer. Register or Memory Unit. Register or Memory Unit stores all the data that is to be processed. It helps the ALU to easily access or obtain all the data it needs to perform calculations. Output devices. Output devices display results after processing of the data. Some of the output devices are as follows. Monitor. A monitor displays the result output in the form of text, pictures, or videos. It is also called VDU, Visual Display Unit. The output we see on the monitor is called a soft copy. There are three types of monitors. First, CRT, cathode ray tube monitor. It is big in size, heavy, and occupies lots of space. This monitor is rarely used these days. Second, LCD, liquid crystal display monitor. It is neither very big in size nor heavy. It occupies less space. The pictures on it are more clear than those on CRT monitor. Third, LED, light emitting diode monitor. It is also neither big in size nor heavy. It also occupies less space. The pictures on it are much clearer than those on CRT and LCD monitors. Printer. A printer is used to get the output, text and pictures on a paper. The printed copy is called the hard copy. There are three main types of printers: dot matrix, inkjet, and laser. Dot matrix printer. It can print only a few pages in a minute. It is one of the earliest printers and creates a lot of noise. Inkjet printer. It can print up to 40 pages in a minute. It is more expensive than a dot matrix printer. Laser printer. It is the best in performance and print quality. It can print up to 100 pages in a minute. It is more expensive than the dot matrix and inkjet printers both. Projector. A projector is used to display images and videos on a screen. The screen could be a whiteboard, white cloth, or even a wall. It is used while teaching in schools and colleges and giving presentation in offices. Speakers and headphones. Speakers and headphones are used to listen to output in the form of sound. Storage devices. The data we feed into the computer and the information generated can be stored on the computer for future use. Storage devices store information saved on a computer. They can be internal or external. Hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage device of a computer. It comes fitted inside the CPU box. It can store large amounts of data. All the work done on a computer is stored on the hard disk. CD. CD stands for compact disc. CDs are circular in shape and can store a lot of data. They are external and can easily be carried from one place to another. Most of the programs and games are also available on CDs. DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. A DVD looks exactly like a CD but stores more data than it. You can store many movies, songs, and programs on a DVD. Pen drive. Pen drive is a storage device which is very small in size. It can easily be carried in a pocket or bag. A pen drive can be used to store and transfer data from one computer to another. It can store even more data than a DVD does. Software. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer hardware how to operate. It therefore controls the working of a computer. Windows, MS Paint, Tux Paint, Notepad, WordPad, and games are some examples of computer software. Types of software: system software, application software. System software. System software are programs that control and operate the computer hardware. Before starting to do any work on computer, we must install system software. Operating system or OS is an example of system software. Windows, Unix, Linux, and Mac OS are some examples of operating system. Windows is the most popular operating system. There are many versions of Windows such as Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. The interface that we get on computer screen after installing the operating system is called desktop. Application software. Application software are programs used to perform a specific task. These are installed and used whenever we need them. MS Paint, MS Office, and games are some examples of application software. Some application software such as MS Paint, WordPad, and Calculator come already installed in Windows by default. Other application software such as Photoshop, MS Office, and Tux Paint need to be installed separately on the computer.